Here's a nice calculator to determine the length and size and shape of the expansion when we're dealing with water and PVC pipe. So we got language, and then the size of the pipe, operating temps minimum and maximum, and the developed length. So if you got a 30-foot run of pipe and you think it might be exposed either inside or outside of 130 degrees, which would be most attics in Mississippi, going to be 130 to 140 degrees. 25, I've had pipes freeze at 25 degrees. Once you fill it out, the lengths are created for you and the different types.